YouTube dislikes being removed. Pro, con, good, bad for creators. What do you think?
Okay, so I think the way that YouTube delivers their news is probably not the best. And I'm really anti taking away dislikes. I think that it helps people know a kind of a judgment of what a video is based off of that indicator. And yes, you can do it, but if it hurts someone's feelings, they're definitely in the wrong place. Like it's more about creating content, and it's not going to resonate with everyone. That's okay, just make it for your community. But I think it's a massive blow to the creator community, and it's a massive mistake that YouTube made.
Well, you definitely made a good point about if dislikes hurt your feelings, you're in trouble, because as we know from the internet, if someone wants to make you feel bad, they're going to make you feel bad, right?
Right.
A dislike isn't gonna absolutely make that happen. Thanks for watching Mark SAVANT Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark SAVANT Media.